Yo, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my front room with no couch. Don't worry though, we're finally able to get us a couch. Ice, 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 yeah. Ice, 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 yeah. Ice, 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 yeah. Ice, ice. So this is the wrapping from Kevmannz himself, nice and secure. Hopefully there's no damages with the transport of this product. I had this right here for about, I don't even know how long, like a month now. People might ask questions of like, yo Zosh, why the hell your front room look like this? Well, my girl's dad is like a master painter type stuff. So he got the popcorn off the ceiling and painted the walls. Well, we're gonna repaint the walls a different color. But yeah, he was doing all that, so we didn't want to put a couch and shit here yet and hang up the TV and stuff because, well, you know, we don't want all the stuff and mass, whatever. What y'all really here for is this right here. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this John, unwrap it, and oh, bro, I'm excited to see how this bad mofo look like. You in it? This was purchased from Kevtec on Instagram. I have a link on the screen. Well, not a link, but his IG name on the screen. I have a link down below. Cat's over here eating plastic and shit, but whatever, it is what it is. But we're gonna install this on the car right now. Oh, I can't wait to bring out the gimbal, shoot some cinematics. Hopefully it's effective as much as it looks, but looking at the underside of the thing, I don't know, but we'll see. Just look at it. Look at it in the sunlight. Oh man. The Civic's about to get a whole new. It's time to go from ashy to classy. Yeah. It is a beautiful day out here in Florida, baby. Imagine a sidewinder manifold with up pipes or going through the fender. Ooh, that would be hot deadly deadly. But yeah, we got the old bonnet off right here for sale if anyone needs an FD2 hood. Fire bonnet, holla at your boy. Now it's time to install the, oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright, so I'm adjusting the latch right now. It's so simple, 12mm nut, just loosen both nuts and then just push it forward. When you loosen these two, then the ones in the back already come loose already. But dog, this is awesome, bro. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. Loosen that like that. And just bring that down a little bit more. Push it up. That should be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that up, and then we'll see how that fitment looking. Oh, it's coming together. I'm so happy right now. The fitment where I want it. Look at that, bro. I mean, it might be a little off, but bro, this is perfect. This is literal. Oh my god, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Holy shit. Bruh. Oh my god. Oh my god. You have reached reached the end of today's video, bro. What an amazing video. I got my carbon fiber vented bonnet that I actually might end up modifying to make it actually more vented. The air can actually escape through the vents that's there, so I might just like do like a little small Dremel tool type thing and like cut out a little. We'll get to that point eventually, but bro, we got it. Oh, thanks to my baby boo. I love you, boo. What do you guys think about the vented bonnet? Does it look cool? Does it not look cool? What do you think? Comment down below. I'm blessed to say the least. Next video will be the big Wang Gang install video that will be releasing the next day, because I'm actually supposed to have dropped this video on a Saturday. Today is Sunday at the time of this recording, which you might end up watching it on a Sunday night, maybe early Monday morning or whatever, whenever you watch this. I was supposed to upload this video that you're watching now on a Saturday, and then Sunday would be the Wing video, because Monday I'm saying goodbye to the Civic. Wink, wink, you know what's going on, wink, wink. I'm a little behind, but all in all, we have the bonnet. Bro, it looks so aggressive. Oh my God, look at this picture. Look how amazing this looks, bro. Oh my God, dog. So beautiful. But thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like on the video. Leave a like if you're a supportive queen and you support your king. Leave a like on the video if you enjoy hot wings. Leave a like on the video if you do the video thing. Oh, update on the Integra. I finally sold the supercharger. Yes, the supercharger kit is going to California, so watch out, because there's gonna be a fast guy. The kit is going to a subscriber, so that's awesome. I'm glad that my parts are going on to builds of my homies, my YouTube subscription homies. So turbo kit soon forward, if or when Full Race ever hits me back. If they tell me no, all good. I'm just gonna full send on their kit anyway. But if they say yes and they're like discount like 30% off, 20% off, that'd be awesome as well. So we'll see, because them bro, a wastegate is like $500, bruh. What? A wastegate? $500. And I gotta cut off my flange on my Adam Galifold from a 44 to a 60, so I don't have that boost creep issue and things of that nature. But god damn. But we'll talk about all that stuff in the next Integra turbo build update video, because we have a turbo in the mail. Yeah. But all in all, thank you guys for watching the video. Leave a like on the video. If not, leave a dislike on the video. I love you, but I don't give up. And I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.